Morning, Billy boy.
Morning, PC!
Billy, I hate to break this to you, but it's not Halloween.
I know. I'm in the school play.
Oh. I thought Bonnie was playing a trick on you.
I'm a mouse.
No. Had me fooled. Hey, can I come see you in the play?
I don't know. Sometimes crazy things happen when Popples...
Surprise! You guys were trying to ditch us.
We were not.
We're so...
Whoa! Whoa!
Billy!
Whoa! Whoa!
Why me? Why does it always have to be me?
Great! I wasn't supposed to be wearing this costume until I got to school. I can't go on stage looking like this.
Why not? A lot of rock stars do. Look! Fluff-n-Fold!
All right! I can use my lunch money to wash my costume there.
Let's go.
Ick! 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 Ick!
Whoops.
This section's gonna be slippery for a while, so stay off it, okay?
Sure, mister. We have to hurry.
I'll get the soap.
Mouse body, please. Hey, I'm not part of this load.
Whoops.
Oh, sorry, Puffball. But you look just like the Muddy Mouse. God, like I'm so depressed.
Oh, no. Wait! No! Avalanche! Isn't this where the St. Bernards come in? Light powder. Perfect conditions. Whooshing and shushing, shushing and whooshing. Ha ha! Wow, what a run!
Wow! What a hot dog! Now, where's the soap?
In my pouch.
Now all we have to do is wait.
Wait. Boring. Go out for a Popple pop-up pass.
Mine! I'll get it! Whoa!
Leave it to me! Oh. Butter! Bail out!
Gotcha. Whoa.
Oh, not again! Whee!
What a great idea! Uh-oh. Looks like my idea doesn't hold water.
We're being flooded. Quick! Find high ground.
This isn't working. I just love a bubble bath. Really, I do.
didn't say a word. Rubber ducky!
Don't listen.
I'm pulling the plug on this whole operation. You man the mouse head. Why do I have that old sinking feeling? Party, get your hand out of my pouch.
I'm not Party, and that's not my hand. We better try this too. Nobody wants to be a wethead.
It's dry. Oh, no. My mouse body shrunk.
Oh, Billy, that's not the only thing that shrunk.
Oh, no. Now what am I gonna do?
I have an idea. If it shrunk, then it should stretch, right?
It's working.
Next, it's a PC idea.
Right!
Excuse me. Mind?
Ready? Stretch! Hey, come back here! Oh, no! Wait!
The janitor! Hide!
What's that? Oh! Oh!
Come out, you guys!
What gives? He acted like he just saw a ghost.
It fits! But where's the mouse head?
Heads up!
Jump, Potter! Jump!
I better take this off until I get to school.
Hey, where's Billy?
The toy rat to the left.
He's a mouse, not a rat.
Shh! Here comes his big part.
Squeak, squeak, squeak!
Billy, you promised Mom you'd have your room cleaned before she got back from the store. I said...
You should have seen the look on your face.
Very funny. I was going to help you clean your room, but not now.
Oops. I guess I shouldn't have done that. Well, I'll just... Oh, wow. Boy, if I just had some help, this would be a piece of cake.
Did I hear cake?
No, Potato Chip. That's just an expression.
Expression? I got a great expression. Watch this. Here's my expression of a fighter pilot.
Do you mind? I was perusing a book under there.
Perusing? I thought maybe you were
If I go downstairs and get the cleaning stuff, will you three help me clean my room?
Sure, don't forget the broom. And don't forget the mop.
And don't forget the dynamite. First, we plan.
First, we play. First, we find the cookies.
This calls for puzzle-sized brain power.
Billy, your room isn't going to get clean all by itself.
Wanna bet? I've got the Popples helping me.
I smell trouble.
First there was the fan, then there was the vacuum. Now I'll present Puzzle's Pop-O-Matic Fan-O-Vac.
Wow, it looks like a salami slicer. What does it do, Puzzle?
Do? Why, it cleans any room with the flick of a switch. Wait, you have to be careful which flick you switch. Which switch you flick. Here for demonstration.
Sure.
Doesn't seem to be enough pop in the proof. If I could ask your assistance.
We must look like the Leaning Tower of Popple.
Oops, I forgot. I'm afraid of the dark.
Ah!
Wow!
Oh! Whoa! Whoa! Potato Chip burning out! I've got phobia! I can't right now, Party. I'm a little bottled up.
Maybe I heard too soon.
Wow!
Well, at least it works, I think.
I had a blast. How about you, Potato Chip? Aye, aye, Captain. I feel a strong attraction to your machine, Puzzle. It must be my magnetic personality.
Inventing isn't always pretty.
Who turned out the lights? Personally, I find jogging vastly overrated.
Potato Chip, could I ask a favor?
Sure, Puzzle. What is it? Time to put a stop to things. Way to go, Potato Chip! Thanks, Potato Chip. Potato Chip. Who is it?
The switch! Hit the switch!
I just got a pop a good idea. Jump!
I just thought I'd drop in.
Puzzle! Your invention! It works!
It does?
Well, not perfectly, but it could with our help. Come on! Ta-da!
I'd say things are stacking up quite nicely, Miss Chip.
Well, that was an open and shut case.
But we're not done yet.
Wait a minute. Where's Potato Chip?
Look, under the covers. It's a gopher.
It's a mole. No! It's me!
Wow! How did you Popples clean the whole room so fast?
With Popple ingenuity and the flick of a switch.
But be careful, witch. Switch, you flick.
Sorry, guys. I guess I should have cleaned my room myself in the first place.
That's okay, Billy.
Sure, we had fun the first time. And now that you're here, we'll have twice as much fun.
Gee, you sure make cleaning a room look easy. Can I help?
Sure, Bonnie. We'll put it to a Popple you